Had to throw this fuel pump on this truck. I done found the time, man, to get around to it. I swear I don't be having the time, man, for 8 projects. Got to get it done. This joint strong right here. Yeah. Still crank straight up, but that flow bowl not working. The gauge saying empty, then it says it's full. We ain't gonna do that. Can't play like that. Yeah. Try to disconnect the batteries on these cars when you're not using them so they won't drain. But sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. Gotta use 2 jump boxes. Jump this joint, but it's all good. I gotta put a windshield wiper motor on here, other door handle, a couple other things. This joint running good though, but I need some work. Already fixed the back brake lights, turn signals, all the lights work now. Put LED bulbs behind the instrument cluster. That's a whole new instrument cluster on here. Putting it together, man. I need like 8 more arms. So as you can see, what the fuel gauge is doing by itself. Has a mind of its own. So what that means is the potentiometer on the fuel sending unit, the level part of the fuel sending unit, the potentiometer is going bad in it. You know what I'm saying? The fuel pump is pumping, but you can't tell how much gas is really in the truck. And that ain't cool. So got to get to it, got to get on it. I think I might just let this gas run out, but this joint sound good. Let me see something. Okay. Think she running out of gas. Bright and early in the morning. It's going down. See that caddy joint? Yeah, it's a Cadillac. They think it's a Tahoe, but it's a Cadillac. Just one for the road, see if it crank back up. Oh yeah. A little bit worse. It's all good.